Hey guys, welcome back to the next video in the Python Intermediate series. In this video, we're going to be going over list comprehensions. So list comprehension is a nice way of making a list in one line rather than having to have a normal Pythonic loop. So the normal way you might make a list is like this. We'll just set x equal to a normal or a blank list. And then we'll say for I in range of, let's say 10, we're going to do x.append I. And we come down here and print x. We'll go ahead and have our list of 0 through 9, just like that. So that's normally the Pythonic way. Now in a list comprehension, this loop can be represented like this to create this x list. We can say x equals, and we give it our list braces, and we're going to say for I in range 10, so we have our loop right here. And now, what we actually want to be in the list is going to be on the very left-hand side. So we can just say I. So what we do is we loop through this range of 10 iterable. We get out each I value, and we set the indice of each item in this loop to just I, the value. So now when we print when we print X, we get the same thing, 0 through 9. Another cool thing we can do with list comprehensions is we can have checks in here. So we can actually say if each I that's coming through, let's say if it's divisible by 2, which means that it would be even. So with that, we only get our even numbers back, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is a really good way to make lists in Python. And overall, this is normally the way that lists are made when you only need to have some type of simple append from one iterable.